Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. You can't really see my face, but if you click on other videos, you will be able to. This video is a planner video. I usually film videos about lifestyle and beauty and makeup and skincare and plus size fashion and vlogs in Greece. But I also like organizing and stationery and things like that. So I thought I'd give you an update about my planner situation. So I'm going to show you some things I got. My new happy planner. I'm going to show you some stationery I got. A Lollipop Box subscription box. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to show you some stickers I ordered off Amazon. And yeah, that's what this video is going to be here. And if you want to subscribe, that would be great because I would love the support. So let's start with my happy planner. I'm in the UK and I was looking for a happy planner and I couldn't really find one. So I ended up buying this one from Amazon. It's Get Busy Babe. It's very colorful. I don't know how I feel about the very colorful spreads, especially since I am colorblind. So it does make it a bit hard. So it starts off with hello, and then you have a very colorful and bright 2020-2021. It's a 12-month dated planner. And what are these called? The binders, I don't know, are they yellow? I'm guessing they're yellows. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine. I'm also washing my clothes at the moment. Apologies for that. So yeah, you have the dates. It's horizontal here. And then you have like all the months where you can put things in quickly. So that's interesting. And then you say what you did in January, birthdays, important dates. Make your own magic. Like your normal planner, you have your January spread, and then you have top 3 and notes. So on this side you have the top 3, then you have your notes, and then it's the same. Now the interesting part, I hadn't checked to see, the interesting part is that you have the top of the days in different boxes, and I asked my partner to tell me what colors they are. So you have a pink box, an orange box, a yellow box, a green box, a blue box, a purple, and a pink. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I'm going to be covering them on some of the spreads. I'm going to start planning tonight. I'll film a different video with that, so if you want to watch that, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about all this color. And then you have these columns. So let's see, how am I going to work with that? I think it's going to be interesting because I haven't used this kind of planner. I don't know how it's going to work for me. But yeah, that's how the month is. So we're looking at January because I just got this, so I haven't done anything to January. And then February, again, notes, birthdays, important. You are entirely up to you. I'll just show you the divider. So you have that divider, and then we have follow your heart, the March divider. You have, what do we have next? We have you got this, which has some foil, I think. That's really cool. I like it. You got this. Then we have oh la la, which is for May, a smiley face. Think it, want it, get it. That is July. I know that's June. Live colorfully, babe. And that is July. Then we have crushing it, girl. Keep on crushing it, girl, which is August. We have our, it's going to be okay spread for September. Then we have, what do we have? September, October, make today count. Oh, I really like this one. I think this is probably my favorite so far. Make today count. And we have love yourself over here. Can you see that? I think you can. Yeah. And then finally we have the December. One day in day one you decide. On day one you decide. I don't get that, but anyway. So yeah. And then it finishes and you have this final page which says live creatively, and the back of the planner is this. Hang on, I'll show you the print. So it's very, very colorful. If this is your thing, I'm not saying, I don't know how I feel about colors, but I couldn't find a 12 monthly planner. Everything had sold out and I didn't want to pay a ton of money. So yeah, so this is my 12-month planner. This is what I'm going to be using just to be a bit more creative. Now let's move on to my next item, which is, I got this from TK Maxx in the UK. They are glitter stylos. So you have like glitter pens. I've never used one before, but I want to try them now. So let's see. I want to use them for creative purposes, like maybe even stick them on flowers and stuff. And in my planner, so I'm going to show you what they look like when I use them in a planner. Let's move on to stickers I got. So I made an Amazon purchase. I got these floral pictures, floral stickers. They are called Natural Collection. This is what they look like up close. I'm going to show you a few. They are black and gold foil. That's what it says. These are all the patterns you can get. So these are the patterns. And they are deco stickers, 60 pieces. And let me just show you a few. I'll open the packaging, sorry, and show you a few of them up close so you can see what they look like. The material is quite soft. Let's see how easy it is to peel the sticker off, because I haven't used these before. So I don't know how easy it will be to peel them. But let's see how this works. Oh yeah, there you go. So they're easy to peel, look, easy to peel. That's good. I'm not going to peel this off though. So here's one example of a sticker. And then you have beautiful, oh, this is pretty. Yeah. And what else? If I remember, I'll link it down below. If I don't remember, leave a comment in the comment section. Look at these ones. So pretty. These were about 4 or 5 pounds. Beautiful. I really like them. Really excited to use them. And you get loads. Really pretty. So yeah, these are some of the stickers. As I said, if I forget to show them to you, if I forget to link them, please leave a comment below saying, Joanna, link the stickers. Here you go. So these are the stickers I got, the floral stickers. I'll leave them aside here. Then, moving on, what else did I get? Oh, let's do the Lollipop, what's it called? So it is called the Lollipop Box Club. I'm not going to show you the cover because it's got my address on it. Now, this is what you get in the box. It was free shipping in the UK, so £18. Now, it comes in, I've already opened it. I'm not going to act all surprised. Oh, this is amazing. I've already opened it. So I really like the Love Heart tissue paper. And this is the Lollipop Box Club. It says, thank you so much. It gives you a coupon of 5%, a £5 off your next subscription kit, which is really cool. And then you get some staples and these little arrows. So that's in it. You get a crochet flower for heart, which I'm going to use. You get a little button. I don't know how I'm going to use this, a badge, but I will at some point. So let me continue. You get 2 postcards, one saying follow heart, the other one saying, again, follow your heart. Really pretty. You get a little magazine with information on how to use everything. And so I haven't really read this, but it does give you instructions on what to use and how to use everything. So that's really handy. Then you get another little envelope with lots of die cuts. I'll just show you them. I really don't use die cuts, so these are probably going to go in one of my upcoming planner giveaways because I don't really use them, and I'm alright, I'm not bothered about them. So I'll probably put them in a giveaway later on, not today. So that's that. And then look at this really pretty envelope. The envelopes are really pretty. And you get this little tag which you can use to create something. And you also get some stickers, a little love heart. You can create. I really like that. So it gives you instructions on how to create. And you get subscription printables and things like that. So that's really nice. And I'm really pleased with that. It's got loads of paper clips and lots of material you can use to create something. So a little wooden thing. I'm going to use these. I don't know how yet, but I will because I'm redecorating my planner, my Filofax planner. Then you get some stickers, these round ones, and they're really good quality. Like the sticker comes off easily, really good. They feel thin, and I was a bit worried, but they work really, really well. I've never filmed this way, so I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. Then it has a stamp, follow your heart. Again, this will probably go in a giveaway later on because I don't stamp things. You get another sticker sheet, a bigger one, which is going to go somewhere in my planner. Really excited about that. It has like little washi tapes, little love hearts, really cool. The thing I really enjoyed and really liked was this, things to do today, like a notebook. The quality, the paper is quite thick. You get a to-do list, you get urgent if you have extra seconds, and notes. That's really cool, really pretty. And I also got this really, really pretty note page. So here are the note pages. They're really nice glossy material. So you get this week. You can use this in your planner. And then February, which is cardboard paper. So you can use these for dividers in your planner. You get 2 of each. I don't know what colours they are though because I'm colourblind. Sorry about that, guys. Love hearts, 2 of each. You could use these in your planner. You could use these as divided. You get little arrows. And then you get this one here as well. And a chewing gum. Yay. And there is a pen as well. Where is my pen? There is a gold pen in it as well. Anyway, I think it's gold. But it comes with a pen, and I don't know where I put the pen. But there is a pen in here as well. So that is the Lollipop subscription box. And you can find her channel on YouTube as well. So that is that. Let's move on to a few more things I got. I bought this notebook from, I had shown this before, but I think it's really pretty. I got this from Clinton's in the UK. It was 50% off, and I really, really like it. I'm going to use it. It was £4 originally, and I got it for £2. And then I also got this notebook, which looks really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see the gold. And again, this was 50% off. It says make today beautiful. It has a gold rim here, and I really like it. And this cost, as I said, £5, but I got it for $2.50. Really looking forward to using this notebook. And I also got a notepad from the Card Factory. So it says remember to. It's got a magnetic closure. And then you get a big notepad, which is probably going to go in my planner. And then you get little ones here as well. And they look really, really pretty. Good quality. Let's see. Yeah, the sticky tape, the sticky bit is hard to take off. So I'm going to use this. I've bought another one of these for my subscribers, which is going to go in a giveaway later on. And finally, I got Filofax for my Filofax planner. I got paper, so I got a to-do list. which is this one, this to-do list. And I also got another one which has holes in it. Another one which has holes in it. I got another planner, divider, paper sheets, whatever they're called. And I'm going to be using that later on as well. So, I hope you liked my video. If you enjoyed this and you want to see how I'm going to use my Happy Planner, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Have a nice day. Happy planning, everyone. Bye.